what possibly could the Woobles create that would make me pay full price for one of their kits? Stay tuned. I am going to show you what that is. If you have seen my video about the Joann's bankruptcy and my first haul from that, I did purchase 2 Woobles kits during that time. I purchased a Hello Kitty and a Snoopy that I cannot currently find. I don't know where I put them, but I had paid 25% off on both of those kits. I've never paid full price for a kit until last week. I saw on the Woobles Facebook page, which I do follow, that they had a new line of items. At that time, they had a new line of items. I think they've changed since then, what's currently new. So I had to purchase it. So it arrived in the mail. It does have a very cute bag, a little Woobles bag that you get. And then when I purchased this, I also got a free item as well for my first online purchase. I've not worked those other 2 kits that I have, so I don't know what the Woobles are all about. I know they have an interesting type of yarn. I was curious. So here we go. So they have all kinds of cool things. They have Harry Potter. They have Lord of the Rings. They have what else they have? The fox was what I was wanting to get when I was buying just the regular character ones, but they never had it. And then the ones I ended up buying were the Snoopy and the Hello Kitty. Yeah, there was free stuff in here. Here's the free stuff. Let's go with it first. So you get this needle tin, and it says the wee woobly bits. And then on the back it says Woobles. Okay, so this was the free item that I got for the first time I'd purchased online. So there's nothing in it. Okay, so that's just a tin, I guess, to keep your needles and your items. Okay, what would have made me purchase if Harry Potter didn't do it, Hedwig didn't do it, the Ravenclaw, they had a raven, but the Ravenclaw mascot didn't do it for me? What on earth could possibly make me want to do this? It's a corgi. Of course, it is Lizzie the Corgi. Now, I'm wondering if her name is a derivative of Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth, who we all know loved corgis, and I just finished a book about that. So this corgi here was not the shape I was expecting. I actually had purchased this color, and I will be making a video about this. Purchased this color, Easy Peasy Yarn to make my very own corgi, and obviously I missed the boat because now they have made one. So, but this was not just this little corgi here. She came with some other accessories, so I ended up buying the entire section of the accessories. So she's got a tiny queen crown and a couple other things here. It's like, well, being British and all, a nice spotty. That's probably a horrible British accent, but the teeny tea set. So that's so cute. And then I got something else here. What else is this? Ah, the tiny royal cloak. So this is a set fit for a queen, and I'm going to go through and see what's in each of the packages. So we'll start first with Lizzie the Corgi. Says all materials are included. So as I always gripe when I go through these kit unboxings, is that there are things that I always think are missing, which is stitch markers. And from what this says here, I may not, no, it does not say what's in here. Well, it says what's in here, but not everything. Okay, so let's go through and see what is in Lizzie's pack here. Okay, so we've got Woobles yarn. So this is the Easy Peasy yarn. And I will say, I do give Woobles props for having some really nice feeling yarn. I think this is cotton. It feels almost cotton, maybe polyester. What does it say what it is? So That's one of the biggest gripes I've ever found with these little kits that you buy. These are they always seem to have really subpar yarn. So the fact that they have such nice yarn, um, and I know their kits are a little more on the pricey side. That's probably why, because they do tend to have a whole lot better yarn than your generic kits. So you get white and you get tan, full of the Corgi. And guess what I see in here? Stitch markers. Very nice stitch markers. They're like my favorite kind, which are the kind that clip into there, and I believe those are clover stitch markers. I believe that's here. So from what I understand about Woobles, they also everything is pre-made for you. So the magic ring is already started for you. So this obviously is where we start. Now I don't know why it has 3 stitch markers in it. That's not typically how I would do it. I would just do it at the first marker. So we'll see why, if it's just that they stuck them in there. I don't know. So when I go to read the instructions, we'll see why that's in there. I don't think there's any more yarn. So there's only 2 things of yarn. Now the other thing that I was really excited about was the hook for this one. I was wanting to see what it was going to have on it. I've seen the Harry Potter one from an unboxing, and my coworker had shown me her Snoopy one. It had Snoopy on it. I was hoping there might be a Union Jack or something on this, but it's not. Now I will say this is has a nice hand feel to it. It's rubber, so that's good. And it's branded Woobles on one side and Lizzie on the other side. So while it's not decorated like the Harry Potter one or the Peanuts or probably the Hello Kitty, it's still branded for Lizzie, and it's the same color blue as her package. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, it feels, and I love metal hooks, so I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be excited, or I'm going to try this one to see if it matches with my favorite, which is currently the Clover brand hooks that I really, 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 really like. We have our stuffing for the Corgi, and the last thing in here is our the wee woobly bits. And I'm assuming these are going to be the eyes and all of the other things. It's got a Corgi on the sticker sealed with a Corgi, sealed with a Corgi. Need to use that for something. Sealed with a Corgi. So we'll take that off. So as you can see, this is Lizzie. So it says meet Lizzie. On the back here it says make Lizzie. Follow the steps. It gives a website, and it has a password, and it has a QR code, has an email help, and a text number to call. So that's on the back here. Now we've got a little bit of black, and I'm guessing that's for her nose, to make her nose. And no, it's got 3 eyes. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Oh my gosh, that is a nice needle. Wow, that's a nice needle. I have to say that I can see why this price point on this kit is higher than, say, one from I've not tried the Michaels ones, but they may have some at Michaels. Ones from Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree one. I can see why the price point on this is higher, because this is quality. This is really good, a really hefty, nice needle. Same thing with the hook. It's hefty, it's nice. And then we have 3 safety eyes, I guess, in case you lose one. So that's what's in the Lizzie kit. Now I ended up getting, because if I was going to pay the whole thing and pay shipping and everything, I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and get the whole shebang. So I decided to go ahead and get like I said, the other stuff here. So this is yeah, I'm not a fan of the plastic bags. So leave that for later. I'm going to need to open this. Okay, so same thing. We've got make this tiny queen crown step-by-step guide. Has the password. We've got yellow, white, and it looks like orange. I'm not sure if this one has a starting thing, so it didn't look like this one has. So it looks like white would be the what it starts with white. So let's see if white's got anything with it. No. Okay. So I'm guessing they assume that once you start getting to the accessories, you might be more experienced and you don't need the help to get it started. So this is the teeny tea set and it's all in pink. So there's pink, there's white, more stuffing, and instructions. Again, same thing. Password, website, and a password. I love the color on these. The purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. It's actually my birthstone color because I'm a February girl. So we've got orange and white, which matches the I guess somewhat matches the thing. Again, another step-by-step guide. So that is what's in here. So my next step is to get started on Lizzie and see how we make her. I am going to go through and look at um, the websites and see what exactly it offers, and then I'm going to come back in. I had planned to make a month of Woobles. That was my goal here, as every Saturday in July I'm going to do a Woobles related video. So today was unboxing Lizzie. Next week we'll be reviewing it and reviewing the yarn for the thing. I've also got a copy of the Woobles crochet amigurumi book. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.